What is the value of my personal injury case? This is perhaps the ultimate, most frequently asked question. Indeed, I believe that it is a key role of any personal injury attorney to intelligently and accurately assess the value of a personal injury claim. The most important role, of course, is for that attorney to actually recover full and fair compensation for his or her client. It might be a poor substitute for one's health, but our system of jurisprudence recognizes that if one is injured through the fault of another, money damages are the appropriate remedy. Now, Maryland law divides damages generally into two distinct subsets: economic damage on the one hand, non-economic damage on the other. Economic damages are things that are readily calculable, things such as lost wages, both past and future, medical expenses, both those incurred in the past and those which may reasonably be expected to be incurred in the future. Non-economic damages involves a more detailed analysis. Many people use a shorthand when referring to non-economic damages: pain and suffering. But the core principle here is the ways in which an injury or the effects of that injury have compromised, altered, or changed the course of the victim's life. Now, we look at a variety of factors in assessing the value of a personal injury case, and I'm going to explore each of those factors in more detail in subsequent chapters in this series. But we look certainly to the amount of wages lost. We look to the amount of medical expenses incurred in the past. We look to venue, where the case would ultimately be tried if it goes to trial in Maryland. We look to the amount of available insurance coverage. Of course, we also do an analysis of the strength of the case. Is it one in which an insurance company is likely to mount a vigorous defense in terms of liability? And finally, we do a careful and comprehensive analysis of the non-economic damage component of the claim.